Attorney Rusty Messer coming to you from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today we're going to talk about how you get your bond money back in a criminal case. So the first thing that you need to understand is the purpose of the bond. So if somebody is arrested, the court sets a bail, then the person's family, or maybe you go and you post a bond with the court. The bond makes sure that you're going to come back to all of your court dates. If you don't come back to your court dates, then you're likely going to get a bench warrant and the bond might be forfeited. Now, if you do go to all of your court dates, then you might be entitled to get your bond back. And to understand that, you have to understand the three types of bonds that get posted. The first type is what's called a cash bond. So let's say you get arrested, the court sets your bail at $10,000. If your family has $10,000, they can go down to the courthouse and they can put that $10,000 into the registry of the court, and the court will hold it and say, all right, when you finish your case, we're going to give you this $10,000 back. So that is a cash bond. The second type of bond is what's called a property bond. So let's say you don't have $10,000 cash, but you do have a house or you have a piece of land. So you can go down to the courthouse and you can say, hey, here's my house, here's my piece of land, put a lien on my property to secure this bond. And when the case is finished, the lien will be taken off of the property. The third type of bond that gets set, and by far the most common type, is when somebody hires a bail bond agent. Bail bond agents typically charge about 12% of the bond. So on a $10,000 bond, you would go and pay $1,200 to the bail bond agent. The bail bond agent then goes and puts his or her $10,000 into the court. And when the case is done, the bail bond agent gets that $10,000 back, but you do not get back that $12,000 you paid to the bail bond agent. So whether you're going to get your bond back depends on the type of bond that you posted and also whether or not you went to all your court dates and completed your case. All right, guys, that is an overview of whether you can get your bond back and how you get your bond back. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more content.